Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So today I've got another case video for you. We're going to be taking a look at a case for the DJI Avata. This case is from GPC. GPC is probably one of the more popular case brands. They make cases for all types of different drones and other gear that you need to protect. So in this video today, we're going to take a closer look at it. We're going to see how everything fits. Just a good video for those of you who maybe have your eye on this case and just want to take a closer look at it. Now realistically, a backpack is a little more convenient when carrying drones. You can fit other gear in it and you can wear it on your back, which does make it a little bit more convenient if you have to hike into a location. However, with that said, for every drone that I own, I have a hard case for it because there are some situations where a hard case can be very beneficial. First of all, it does offer superior protection. Plus, in a case like this, it is waterproof. So if you're going to be transporting your drone in and around water, perhaps on a boat, kayak, or canoe, having a good waterproof case, something that is drop and impact resistant, can really keep your gear protected and prevent accidental damage. So as mentioned, this here is by GPC, and we'll take a look at it here. The first thing you'll notice is that they do have the pressure regulator. So just like most of these hard cases, they are pressure regulated. It does have a dual latch system, so there's a little lever you have to pull before you can open it. And those dual latch systems are a good idea. That prevents you from accidentally opening it when you don't mean to. And of course here, if you do want to lock it up, you can do so. So let's go ahead here, we'll open it up and then we'll see how everything fits. I got all the components around me here. So as you can see, we do have a custom cut interior. Now the nice thing about this case is that it will accommodate both the Goggles 2 and the Goggles V2. So it doesn't matter what DJI Avata kit you go with, this case will be compatible. So let's go ahead and we'll start putting things in here. First of all, we've got the controller here. With this case, you can leave the sticks on. It just fits into that back slot there. Now, as you can see here, we have 4 slots for batteries. So this case will hold a total of 5 batteries, 4 in the slots and then 1 in the drone. And there we go there. As you can see here, we have 2 spots to store the goggle batteries. Now this cavity here where the drone is situated, we can actually pull out that bottom there and you can see we have storage underneath it. We've got a spot there for the motion controller. We have a spot for the single charger, and there's a slot there for the official DJI ND filters. Another little slot right beside there. Not quite sure what goes in there. At the back here, we have an opening, and that's where you can store propellers. You can store 4 propellers in there. But for me, I've got some freewheel ND filters. I'll just be keeping in that spot. And then the USB-C cable that comes with it, we'll just shove in there as well. So we'll put that cover back in, and then as you can see, the Avata just sits there on top. We have a slot here right behind the batteries for the charging hub, and at the back here we also have some space, and this is a good spot for cabling and whatever else you need to store. For me, I've got even more ND filters. I'll probably just shove down in there. We've got the power cable for the goggles, can fit in there. And then of course that adapter for the goggles, that can fit down in there as well. And lastly here, we have an opening for the goggles. It can just fit down in there like that. So lots of space, you can fit everything in nicely. We still have this opening back here. If you have extra batteries, as you can see, you could fit a battery down in there. So yeah, that is the GPC hard case for the DJI Avata. Nice quality case, everything fits good. And like I said, it will keep your gear protected if you're going to be in around wet conditions or perhaps traveling, road tripping, and you want to keep your gear protected and not have anything happen to it. A case like this is a good choice. Well, folks, hopefully you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. It's always greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next one.